Opener's finished. Opener. Dzień dobry. Wszystko dobrze. Opener's finished. And I guess about summertime here in north of Poland is that this rain here, I like walking in the rain, I heard someone say, because walking in the rain, I like walking in the rain because it hides my tears. And that's how I'm feeling right now. Opener's finished. Today's a recovery day. We're gonna sprint till tomorrow. We're sprinting till tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay. And this is not tomorrow. It's still the same day. But this is the most peace and quiet I feel like I've had in years. Recovery day. It's a recovery day. Well, for another few hours, then gotta meet people, but recovery afternoon. But actually, or maybe I just make this the vlog completely. Not spend until tomorrow. Today will be the vlog. Opener was amazing. If you guys were an opener, if I had a chance to meet you guys in opener, oh my goodness, I can't even say how amazing it was, and it doesn't even seem real. You guys who came up to me, you guys who looked around for me, who we shared whatever, we danced, pictures, drinks, whatever it was. If we had contact or high fives or smiles or what other, you were in the mosh pit with us. When you guys were falling, I helped you up, or if I fell and you guys were helping me up, oh man, it was amazing. Opener, if you don't know to go, guys, go 100%. 100% you need to go. And actually what I'll do, maybe I'll use today as a recovery day to kind of chill and relax. I just need a break, I think, just to relax. And filming all of Opener was awesome, but it was just like, oh man, now I'm dead. It was just so much, but such amazing time. I met you guys. Pleasure to meet you. Pleasure to meet you. I still can't believe it. I can't believe it. I've been getting messages all night, all morning from you guys who I met there. Just want to say thank you guys. Recovery day for me. Definitely a recovery day before I have to meet people later. But thank you guys for watching. Speak to you guys tomorrow. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave. Don't forget to smile. Ciao. Oh, I hate to jump back in here, but a lot of people are asking me, "Oh, Luke, you're with so many people, and you're ready people, pictures of people, all that kind of stuff." But there's one thing you should know about Opener Festival that I forgot to tell you guys. I came here by myself. I came here by myself. So all the videos you guys just saw for 4 days, they're people who I met here, or people who knew me, or something like this. But I came here literally by myself, or I tried to be by myself, but I don't even know if there was a moment when I was by myself. But yeah, I came by myself, and I hope that pushes you guys to get out of your comfort zone as well. Give it a little thought of the day. Give it a thought of the day in the recovery day. But hope it pushes you to get out your comfort zone. Go to eat by yourself. Go to that concert by yourself. Go to that favorite restaurant by yourself. Go to watch your favorite movie that came out that no one wants to go to. Just go do it, guys. Push yourself out the comfort zone. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Yeah, time to eat. I just wanted to tell you guys that. But yes, see you tomorrow.